The title of this video is Presentation Masterclass Volume 5, Eliminating Mistakes from Your Presentation. 100% of the time, when you give a presentation, once it's ready to go, you need to go onto Zoom, open a meeting with one person and hit record. And you want to go through the entire presentation. You'll have a chance to see how you look on screen. And at the end, you hit stop and you'll know how long it is. And after you do that, what you want to do is critically watch yourself from the perspective of a third person. And you want to give it to someone that is good at public speaking, ideally a court reporter or someone that understands how to speak slowly and how to speak articulately. Then what you want to do in a form of video proofreading, you want to look for 10 mistakes that differentiate a bad presentation from a good presentation. Mistake 1, emotionless or stiff delivery. If your personality is not coming through, if you lack emotion and you're stiff, people don't want to watch. Mistake 2, lecturing as opposed to presenting. Talking down to the audience is the worst thing. And in fact, attorneys who are described by jurors as, quote, slick, unquote, routinely lose cases that they shouldn't. Mistake 3, blending all of your points. You want to have a central theme, a topic, and a story, and you want to stay online. If you don't have defined points, you'll give the worst presentation. Mistake 4, avoiding eye contact. You need to read the room. Are people dropping off? Are they bored? Are they talking? You want to make eye contact, which shows that you care about the person that's listening. Mistake 5, not relating to the audience. You want to have done your homework, know who it is that you're talking to, and to the extent you can, you want to put elements in there. If you know that somebody in there is a fencing mom or dad and is a previous fencer, make a reference to that. Overdoing slides. Slides with the wrong color and too much information that can't be read are a total turnoff for the audience. Mistake 7, being too formal. Formality isn't bad per se, but being robotic or boring turns the audience off. Body language. A very high percentage of communication is body language. You want to be engaging. You want to show that you're paying active attention. When questions come in, you want to lean forward and give your undivided attention. Bad body language gives the wrong message. The 9th mistake is trying too hard. You don't want the presentation to seem as if it wasn't something that would be natural for you to say and do. Trying too hard is a symptom of unsureness, which means you're probably not as prepared as you should be. And mistake number 10, and arguably the most important, is saying things that are microaggressions, inappropriate, or things that people find deeply offensive. And not only if you do that are you going to lose that presentation, the odds are pretty good that if you had 10 people in the presentation and you said something that was offensive and inappropriate, they're going to tell another 10 people, and 100 people are going to be told you're not the kind of person to do business with. You need to make sure that you understand when you're on the record and in a group what's off limits.